How do you feel?
A
Nervous?
bit anxious, yeah.
Okay, just relax. Put your hands and feet back. Back. Let it go. Let it go. Let your hand go.
Oh.
Yeah, just let it go. Move your feet. Move your feet. Just relax.
Okay.
Breathe. Whew. Calm down. Now listen, folks, until you've trained somebody how to drive out there, and especially on the freeway, you don't really know what they might do when they really get overwhelmed with anxiety. Now, some people look at this like, oh, that's cheating. When we grew up back in the 80s, we couldn't do stuff like that. Well, damn it, that's what technology is supposed to do. So while I'm introducing the freeway to my new drivers and I'm helping them to experience it, learn what others are going to be doing out there, I'm also helping to build their confidence and understand that it's really not that hard, and self-driving really helps make that possible. Moving ahead, we're going to be curving to the left, so be looking out for that. Keep your distance from this vehicle ahead. Oh, now we got more space. Pick it up. Put that left blinker on. Make sure you're following that left curve. Keep it rolling. Stay here. We're not looking there. We're only here. We're staying in our lane. Slow it. Follow that curve. Curve. Gas it through. There you go. Stay within your lane. In your lane. Your lane. Straighten it up. Let's roll. So as you can see, we about to get the rocking and rolling. Had to take my seatbelt off. Slow it down. Go to the curve. Stay towards the right. Towards the right. Towards the right. Gas it through. So you slow to get in, then gas it through. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. Just like that. Just stay focused on going around. Stand within your lane. Breathe. You got this. Pick it up some more. Pick it up some more. You got it. You got it. We're going to be lane changing to the right. Put that blinker on. It was at this moment I knew she was nervous. Ease it. Ease it. There you go. Keep it rolling. You got this. We're going to lane change to the right again. Blinker on. Check it. Check it. Ease it. There you go. Keep it going. How do you feel? Nervous?
A bit anxious, yeah.
Okay. Just relax. Put your hands and feet back. Back. Let it go. Let it go. Let your hand go.
Oh.
Yeah, just let it go. Move your feet. Move your feet. Just relax.
Okay.
Breathe. Whew. Calm down.
Okay.
We got this.
Okay.
I had to just give you a little taste of it. Put you out there a little bit. See what them nerves do. And we got this. We're going to come on up off. Right? That's self-driving. It's just going to just take us to a little safer space. And then we're going to work on those lane changes a little bit more. So that you feel more comfortable with those. But even in that situation, we looking, checking, check that blind spot. And it's a quick glance. Right? Bingo. Grab tight. Lift up with that right lever. No, don't hit brake. Switch it to gas. It's gonna slow down. There you go. Ease it over. So yes, folks, it definitely helps to take off the stress from all of us and make sure that they get back home safely. Let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this, man. You think this would have helped you to get over your anxiety behind the wheel? Or do you think this is taking things a little bit too far? We back. Keep it rolling.